Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be taking a quick look at this device, and this is the Divoom Pixoo pixel art frame. It has a lot of features and we'll be unboxing and reviewing this. If you're new to this channel, I make videos on tech as far as unboxing and reviews. And if you find our videos interesting and helpful, do give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell button. Without wasting much of your time, let's get the unboxing started. Now, talking about the packaging, it looks quite good and well designed with a Pixoo image in front and some details at the back. Back to the unboxing, we get a Divoom Pixoo LED panel, a user manual, a USB Type-C to A cable, and lastly, a sticker set from Divoom. When it gets to the design, this device has a simple style design and it looks exactly like a picture frame. The housing is square shaped and measures 20 by 20 centimeters and it's made of black plastic. You can find a power button located at the top, and pressing on this button powers on or off the device. Pressing it one time also indicates the battery remaining. At the top, you can also find a sensor, and at the bottom part of the device, there is also a button which, when pressed, it changes the background or animation of the Pixoo. On the back of the device, you find a kickstand or a stem arm for setting up the device. There is also a spot at the top where you can use to mount on the wall. Lastly, at the bottom of the device lies a USB Type-C port for charging your device. Now back to the display itself, the Divoom Pixoo isn't just a pixel frame. It has a 16 by 16 programmable LED pixel that can display 16 million colors, providing more than enough creative freedom. It can display your time, your dates, images, and even your social media notifications, and has much more to offer too. The screen brightness can be adjusted using an app, and it has an equivalent luminosity of 5 watts LED bulb, which is bright, and everything displayed can be seen easily. Now, to get full access to customize your Divoom Pixoo, you will need to download the Divoom app on Play Store or App Store, and you sign in. Using this dedicated app gives you extensive features, and once your Pixoo is paired, you get access to over thousands of pixels, and you can also choose any display you want, just as I have mine here. You have tens of choices from character, season, emoji, pattern, creative, and so on. You can also change the color of your clock and change the display to weather, temperature, and date. Also on the tab, you can find lighting, which allows you to change your Pixoo display to any color you want. Next on the app is a music visualizer and lots more. People from all over the world design these pixel arts, and with a built-in editor, it's also possible to create your own design and animations and share with the community. Another useful features that this device offers are functions such as alarm, stopwatch, planner, calendar, weather, and temperature. Although I do like the Pixoo, there is something I didn't like about the app. The first thing I noticed is the app navigation issues. The menu is quite confusing and there are lots of options to navigate through, so if you don't memorize it, you get lost easily. Apart from this, I think the device is really cool, and I do recommend this product to anyone who wants something unique and interesting that fits his or her home design. So that's it for today's video. Let me know what you think about this device down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure you check my previous videos, and if you'd like to purchase a Pixoo, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.